How rapidly Ripple XRP is evolving is mind-boggling. What started as a cryptocurrency navigating regulatory challenges in volatile markets is now shaking up the whole cryptocurrency industry. But you can see how wild things are becoming right now by looking at the XRP price, which has been bouncing. As soon as the currency reaches a new peak in value, and what follows, it's acting erratically. But for what reason? Is the price of XRP about to skyrocket? Or is this the usual tumultuous crypto market? The buzz around Ripple XRP is growing by the day. Seemingly weekly, there are big announcements, changes that change the game, and unexpected twists. New chapters are being written in waves. The tail things are heating up, and this drama is far from over. Keeping up with everything that's happening so fast is challenging. We have never witnessed anything like the recent wild journey that Ripple XRP has been on in the cryptocurrency market. Everyone is asking how much further this controversial cryptocurrency from the one can go, now that it is quickly regaining its position as a market leader. The global many investors were worried about XRP future a few months ago when the company was involved in a legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The price of XRP went through a lot of ups and downs because to the lawsuit's unpredictability, with periods of intense excitement and abrupt drops. But the sentiment has recently altered. The XRP price significantly has been rising at a steady rate, with the market reacting positively to reports of the continuing legal dispute, expanding alliances, and overall enthusiasm surrounding cryptocurrencies. Recent developments in Ripple's months-long legal dispute with the SEC are a major factor in the rekindled interest in the cryptocurrency. There have been signs that Ripple's legal team could soon be able to win the case, which might prevent XRP from being labeled as an unregistered security. Because of this, investors are once again interested in the XRP token, and its price has risen. Cryptocurrency, but the legal situation isn't the only thing driving interest in XRP. Ripple has been strategically fortifying its position in the global financial industry and expanding the potential uses of XRPs like cross-border payments through major agreements with financial institutions. How well Ripple can this is the perfect catalyst for XRP next growth stage, and it's clear that Ripple's strategy is starting to yield results. Its credibility and market position are being bolstered by its efforts to scale technologies and integrate with important players in the finance industry. The combination of a growing price and other favorable conditions has set the stage for XRP comeback. The mood among investors is becoming more bullish. But what's next for XRP? Is the market just riding the wave of a temporary upswing, or does this momentum have staying power? The recent meteoric rise in the price of XRP is the result of a confluence of events that have all aligned just so. A case in point is the ongoing legal battle with the SEC. This particular issue has been one of the major unknowns for XRP holders, but recent developments suggest that Ripple might be on the verge of a major triumph. Major exchanges that had temporarily banned trading of XRP due to legal ambiguity may relist it if the court rules in favor of Ripple, lifting the cloud over the crypto industry. Undoubtedly, this would lead to a significant ripple in XRPs are attracting more and more institutional investors, and the price of XRP is skyrocketing due to the flood of new purchasers. Ripple has been connecting with banks, payment providers, and financial institutions all over the globe as traditional financial actors begin to see the potential of XRPs or cross-border payments. More open to embracing it. Thanks to its ability to facilitate cheap and fast international transactions, Ripple's technology is revolutionizing the financial sector and has the backing of notable companies. More and more partners, XRP is being seen as more than simply a speculative asset. It's a legitimate tool for the future of finance. Another important consideration is the growing popularity of cryptocurrencies in general, since more and more people are seeing the value in blockchain and digital currency. XRP stands to gain a lot from this sudden uptick in usage. The business model of Ripple, which centers on solving real-world problems, has garnered attention as cryptocurrencies grow increasingly integrated into the global economy. The sole element that used to excite top investors is no longer its price. Conjecture it all comes down to how big of a role it could play in the future of online banking. The question now is whether the recent price increase for XRP is the beginning of a new long-term bull run for the coin, or if it is just a temporary spike due to the many positive developments that have recently pushed up its price. As XRP price rises and market sentiment increases, it is impacting Ripple and its investors, but it is also starting to ripple through the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. Many investors are reevaluating their stances on cryptocurrency due to the recent spike in XRP value, which impacts both their investment and looking at the market as a whole. XRP continued ascent might spark new trends and convince more traditional investors to treat digital currencies as assets, not speculative ones. Investments in XRP might alter the conversation around cryptocurrencies in general as the coin's popularity grows. For quite some time, many in the investment and analysis communities have pondered the question of whether Bitcoin is just a fad or here to stay. With trend XRP rise, some of those concerns may be alleviated, especially considering its continuing legal struggle and Ripple's persistent efforts to integrate into the financial sector. A new level of decentralization could be introduced if XRP maintains its price increases and achieves traction. Credibility across the board for digital money. Furthermore, other cryptocurrencies are responding to XRP ascent since it shows they can bridge the gap between digital assets and traditional banking. Keep in mind that other coins might see an influx of projects looking to increase their practical uses or forge partnerships with major banks. If Ripple's pioneer coin, XRP, does well, it might pave the way for additional coins to follow suit and become valuable. Much more than a mere investment vehicle. Yet, how does regulation factor in? Crypto regulation is a pressing issue that is only going to get worse as interest in XRP and traditional financial actors both continue to rise. There may be more transparency on how XRP is used as its impact increases. New rules that provide a solid foundation for cryptocurrencies may emerge from regulators' handling of digital assets, which would boost their attractiveness to institutions and long-term investors. For some time to come, the government's regulatory approach to the cryptocurrency market may be shaped by the continuing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. This is especially true when considering the question of what constitutes a safety net. At the heart of this case is XRP, the conclusion of which might profoundly affect the future of the industry. Before anything else, there's the legal fight. If Ripple wins its case against the SEC, the last outstanding legal question about XRP will be settled. Although the issue has been a big roadblock for XRP growth, a favorable ruling might lead to XRP relisting on key exchanges, but they also reduce legal worries, which boosts investor confidence. If Ripple did this, it could continue to advocate for XRP widespread adoption much more effectively.